I get asked all the time how to pull apart AI bolts. This is the short action bolt from my ATX. These are two bolts from the AXSR. This is the 308, and this is the 300 Win Mag. Same shape, same firing pin mechanism, different bolt face. If you store them in a decock position, I'll show you how to get to that. I'll show you how to pull it apart as well. If it's decocked like this, all you need to do is hold the bolt body, grab the actual firing, the block at the back end there where the safety selector is, twist that clockwise until this cam part locks into the notch at the top end. Just controlled and composed. It'll click into that. That's now cocked. That's how you'd pull it out of the rifle. To actually separate the firing pin mechanism from the bolt body, all you need to do is depress this little nub down here. So press it in with your finger and then continue to rotate it clockwise, and that will jump out of the little notch, and it'll rotate about a quarter of a turn and then pop out, about half a turn actually, and then it'll pop out. So now you've got the firing pin mechanism and the bolt body. What you want to do is clean this area here. You can clean actually down inside the bolt body where this firing pin spring section normally lives, and you can get all the way down to the firing pin hole on that end. To reassemble this, put it back in, it's got these raised sections here. They correspond to that hoop. So index that, push it in. You need to actually put pressure inwards and then rotate counterclockwise. So holding them both quite firmly, push in and then rotate counterclockwise until, again, it locks back into position. That's how you'd reinsert it into the firearm. If you want to decock it for storage long term to protect just to longevity of the springs, depress the nub and then continue to rotate it. And what we're doing is just putting that down into the cam area. And now there's slack in the system, and that's good for long-term storage. You also see the firing pin protrude through the firing pin hole. That's how I store these long-term in our bolt pouches. Same thing with the AXSR. It's a similar system, different shape. Again, these are decocked, so just grab it both ends, rotate clockwise. Same system as the ATX. And then to open it up again, depress that, continue to turn it around about a half a turn, and it'll pop out. Same thing but different. These have a different shape at the front end, but they've still got the raised section and the hoop. So when you're reassembling that, index the two, push it in, push them together, and then rotate counterclockwise. It'll go back to the cock position, and again to decock it, push the nub, and then just continue to rotate it, and it'll be free floating. And again, the firing pin will protrude through there. So ATX, AT, AX short action, and then the AXSR, they're all similar but different. I recommend storing them decocked just to protect the springs over a 50-year lifespan. Thanks, guys.